Alright, boys and girls, this week we're going to be reading an informational text. And this informational text that we're going to read this week is going to tell us the steps of how something happens. So, for example, we have steps for how a plant grows. It's a seed, it grows a stem and leaves, and it's a little plant, and then finally it gets bigger and it has a flower. So we're going to look at today's text, or this week's text, and we're going to go on a picture walk, and you're going to make a prediction on what you think the text will be about. What do you think the story will be about? So it's called From Nectar to Honey. And here on the cover right off, I see a bee, and it's flying towards a flower. Here I see lots of bees flying to the flowers. So I wonder if maybe the bees get something from the flower that helps them make honey. Here I see this bee going from one flower to the other. I wonder why he's going to so many flowers. Here we see two pictures, and this one's labeled. It says nectar, and I see some coming out of a flower. I wonder if the bee is getting the nectar from the flower. Here we have a diagram of a bee. It tells us the different parts: wings, head, antenna, legs, stomach. I wonder what that has to do with the nectar. Oh, here I see another label. It says hive, and I see a very large beehive. I wonder if the bees brought the nectar to the hive. And here I see bees. It looks like they're working on something. I wonder what they could be doing. Maybe they're still eating the nectar. I don't know. And here I see one bee, and he's got his head. Maybe he's drinking nectar. And here I see another picture, and this one's labeled. It says honey. So I know this is honey, and I see that it's still in the hive. So I wonder if the bees maybe turn the nectar into the honey. Oh, and here I see a little kid, and they're enjoying some honey on some waffles. So we need to make a prediction on what we think the book is going to be about. So you're going to take a separate sheet of paper, and we're going to start with the sentence stem. So I think the story will be about blank. What do you think the story will be about? I think it's going to tell us how bees turn nectar into honey. I want you to draw a picture, and I want you to write a sentence about what you think the story will be about. Then you can send me pictures to Class Dojo, Google Classroom, or to my email.